power steering systems have revolutionized the way we drive, making steering more effortless and precise. Today, we will delve into the history, advancements, and types of power steering systems that have shaped modern automotive technology.
With the advancement of high-current semiconductor technology, Bosch had improved the original electric power assist steering and released the first-generation EPS system in 1992. Volkswagen's Lupo was the first modern car with mass production of the EPS system. More than 20 years later, behind-the-wheel electric power steering systems are now available in most top-selling vehicles with a more complex infrastructure and a wide range of performance levels. They are performing the majority of today's vehicle steering systems.
The power steering systems now are varied and can be classified into 4 categories: hydraulic power steering or HPS systems, electric power steering or EPS systems, magneto-rheological power steering or MRR, and electro-hydraulic power steering or EHPS systems.
Historical development of power steering. The journey of power steering began in the early 20th century, evolving through numerous innovations and technological advancements to become an integral part of modern vehicles.
Even in ancient times, the wisdom was demonstrated that the mechanical advantage of the lever was used by human beings. The Latin root of the word power meant a child. A child or slave played the role of a lever. Therefore, power meant the relationship of the lever involving human muscle. Our intelligent use of technology has allowed humans to perform tasks that would otherwise be impossible many times over. Lifting heavy loads and opening vehicles with the simple operation of the levers not only allowed us to perform impossible tasks, but also improved our quality of life and our future lives. In general, the driver sends the operating force used to operate the vehicle to the necessary component mechanically. Since the components of the vehicle to be operated this way are relatively simple and light, no particular problem arises. But as the size and weight of vehicles increase, especially as a large number of heavy vehicles appear in society, a need has arisen to alleviate the physical burden on the driver.
The technology at the heart of it exists to solve social issues, meaning that technology must be for the benefit of humans. When we point out the most critical task in the vehicle, reducing the strength required to operate a vehicle is a key issue that leads directly to the realization of a dreamy and pleasant life. In other words, developing technology to make driving safe and comfortable is an essential issue. In particular, as a task unique to humans in a vehicle, one can put the manipulation task, including recognizing danger, etc.
In general, the driver transmitted the necessary operating force to the necessary parts when operating the vehicle manually. Therefore, as the size and weight of vehicles increased, and particularly as a large number of heavy vehicles appeared in society, a problem occurred due to the driver's physical strength. Reducing the strength required for operation to realize the implementation of safe and comfortable driving was a problem to be solved.
The use of a hydraulic pressure-type amplification device that takes advantage of a liquid having a lower compressibility than the air made it possible to perform a heavy steering operation while generating a slight steering force from the driver, and this laid the foundation for the electronic steering support used at the present time to be initiated.